interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington DC metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for west central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northeastern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia until 9:15 this evening. At 6:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of around 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that might experience flooding include Crest Hill and Orlean. Precautionary preparedness actions you should take. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you're in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by a foot or by automobile.
You'll want to stay with us here on WTOP.